Hello everybody, in this video you're going to learn the upper body clothes in Japanese with Chiyoko in The Sims 4. I'm gonna build her a new style, so I'm gonna give her some new clothes. So I'm going to browse through all of these sub parts of the clothes, and I'm gonna give her something to wear, of course, that she is gonna like, or maybe not. So let's start with the first group. In the tops will be a browser. Blouse. This would be a blouse, which is a blouse. So the blouse or blouse can be selected in this menu, and this is how it looks like. Now she's wearing a blouse. So if you want to say that she is wearing something, a upper body clothes, in Japanese, you need to use the word kiru for that. So right now she is wearing a blouse, which is burauzu o kiru, to wear a blouse. The next thing that she can wear is a jacket. There's a plethora of jackets here. I'm gonna select this one. Wow, it really fits her leather pants. So now she's wearing a jacketto, which is a jacket. Jacketto o kiru, to wear a jacket. The next thing is a t-shirt. She can wear any t-shirt you want. T-shirt is T-shatsu in Japanese. So I can give her that. Now she's wearing a t-shirt. Now she's T-shatsu o kiru, to wear a t-shirt. The next one is a sweater that she was wearing in the first style, seeta, and you can select any sweater you want. So yeah, she's now seeta o kiru. She's now wearing a sweater. The next one is going to be tank top, which is a tank top, which looks like this. I'm gonna choose this one. So she's wearing a tank top, tank top o kiru. The next one is botan shatsu, a shirt with buttons. So this would be botan shatsu o kiru. Now for the rest of these words you can practice for yourself. Let's continue. The next thing is going to be a torena, which is a trainee, like a hoodie. For example, this one would be a hoodie, an orange hoodie. She's now wearing torena. Torena o. That's right. The next will be a suit jacket. This is a suit jacket, not the real jacket like this one or this one, but this one's going to be like a suit. This will make your mind more clear. Then there is polo shatsu. This is a polo shirt. This one is the most specific polo shirt here. Then there is braja, which is a bra, which obviously I'm not gonna put as an everyday clothes, although I can. Then there is mizugi, which is a swimwear. This is the upper body swimwear. This is her swimwear bra. And finally there is besto, which can not only mean the best, but it also means vest. So what I'm going to choose, I don't know. Now I'm going to pick what she's going to wear. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and see many other videos that are recommended over here. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Nobody's gonna know what I'm going to wear as a second style.